Running a busy automotive repair shop means managing calls, appointments, and customer updates every day. Now, your customers can book service anytime, anywhere. Appointments and vehicle details are instantly sent to your shop, helping your team stay organized and prepared. Keep customers informed throughout the services process, with real-time updates and digital assessment reports. From family trips, to work, to everyday errands, their car is part of every journey. A smoother service experience makes all the difference. Meet CARO, your car maintenance agent built with Monday.com. These agents are part of your team and help manage booking, research client vehicle information using vehicle identification number, and keep clients informed.